Hey everyone, Paul Daniels here again. Welcome back to another daily fix. So I thought I'd take a big gamble this weekend, and I went down, travelled 3 hours, did a couple of other things, but also picked myself up one of these. Now, why is it a gamble? Because you're not going to be able to see it, but it's an A1286. It's one of the disaster ones, or it could be. Yep, 1286. Anyway, the person says it looks like it's booting, but it's not doing anything. Nothing on the screen. So we could have picked ourselves up a dud, the classic GPU failure, or it could actually be a 3330 board, in which case we got a win. Anyway, without further ado, let's get to it. Alright, first thing, mouse pad down so we don't scratch it around. What have we got? Ah yes, Phillips head screws. I always forget that with these older models we do have Phillips. And let's see, I've got screws from other random computers here. So looks like we don't have too many to go. I think the person took the hard drive out. Now I picked this up pretty cheap. I wasn't willing to pay more than I don't think I paid more than 100. Because if it is a 2915 board, ow, that didn't come out so easily. If it is a 2915, then I've wasted my money. But on the other hand, if it's not, I've got to win. I have a feeling it's not, because I checked around on the numbers and I'm pretty sure this is the more recent one. I think the serial number was what gave it away to me. I picked this up like a month and a half ago, but I hadn't had a chance to get down to get it. Yeah, is that threaded? Looks like that's threaded or something. It does not look like a 2915 to me. I'm pretty sure it's not. I'm pretty sure we got a 3330. Come on, win. Let's go in the microscope. We've got. Oh, well, there's a problem. Huh. And there we have it. We have indeed a 3330. We've got to win. Except we've got to fix whatever the problem is. Well, that's not very nice, that corrosion there. I don't have any idea what that's for. Well, it's kind of fortunate. We found the... wonder if that's the only corrosion on here. This came from a coastal zone. Like I said, it was a 3-hour round trip. I did have other things to do down in the town of Townsville. Yes, that's a legitimate place, Townsville. And no, it's not where the Powerpuff Girls live. I am well aware of the Townsville Powerpuff Girls cartoon thing. It's supposed to be disconnect the battery. That might help before I do anything dumb. Alrighty. Well, let's find out what those are. Let's get this board the right way up. And that looks like it. And it was somewhere up here, I think. These two. GPU. Oh no. Oh no. Maybe we are in trouble. N5ESO. Well, I hope that didn't short anything. What does this chip do? A310. You're part of the GPU power supply. Oh boy. A302. What are you? You're part of the main VCC. And you're also part of the VCC. Alright. So maybe that part got damaged. I hope not. I suppose we should see what actually the fault is. I seem to recall them just saying it would just not boot up. That'd be a sad thing if it was a GPU fault on this, given that it's a 3330. We've got Alright, we've got full life. but I'm not seeing any life on the back there. Come on, someone give me an Apple logo. Blinking folder, I mean. Blinking folder? I got nothing. Well, I guess the first thing we'll try is actually fix up those dirty components. We'll get them both off, clean them up, replace them. Can't believe when we go looking for the board number we ended up finding that. That's pretty lucky. Let's see if that comes off on its own. It's fairly robust. About if we try to just solder it off. I'm not using hot air because I'm too lazy to take the board out. Just gotta watch that resistor there. Making a mess. Yeah, it should come out now. Come on. Fine. Hot air it is. Just gonna try and blow it in a way that I don't burn anything on the board. You're welded down. There you go. Some flux. But we also don't have a backlight, so I probably am going to have to get the board off. But would have liked to have seen a folder first before I go diving in for a backlight. Oops. Just grab it, Paul. There we go. The inner capacitor here is a 2.2 16 volt, and this one here is a 10 volt. Alright, lucky for me, very lucky for me, I happen to have a donor of the 3330. And in spite of the fact that the drill bit has gone right through, pretty damn close to where we want to get our stuff, we do still have both parts, so very fortunate. That could have been a very tragic outcome had that drill bit been just a little closer across. Of course the drill bit has gone through because that's the way that they are permitted to have these donor boards, as they destroy them actively like that. Alright, this is lead free, of course it's going to take a little longer. We better get some flux down there. Almost out of this tube. That's one. Two. Just need to clean up the solder pad on the other side there. Sometimes it's better just to finish it up with the soldering iron rather than trying to hot air it all the way through. There we go. That's good. I think that resistor might need a bit of a touch up. We kind of did drain it of solder before. There we go. That's better. I was be very surprised if that's fixed it, but I'll be very happy if it has. We upset our fan connector. Okay, hopefully it's cooled down enough. Let's give it another try. Whoa, we got backlight. Come on, give us a folder. Give us a folder. You know what I want, what I really, really want? I want a folder blinking on the screen. Blink. Aha! We have a blinking folder. We have a fixed MacBook. We won! We won! Awesome. Wow, that was a gamble and it paid off. Haha! We won! Got ourselves a 33.0. This is going to be good. I have not had a 15-inch working one before. I have got I got a whole bunch of 2915s all over here because when I first was started doing this, they were all around the place and people were offering them to me for like really cheap prices, and I thought, yeah, okay, I'll take them, you know, how bad can they be? And then I find out they're all the GPU faults. But in saying that, the 2915 board does have a lot of parts on it that you can use for other board repairs, so keep the boards. And you can also put a 3330 board into the 2915 chassis, and so you can basically end up with a 3330 system. But I guess the problem is that you don't get 3330 boards too often. Alright, well, I'm on a bit of a height, so I'm going to leave it at that. Thank you all for watching. Appreciate you tuning in and just sticking around while I fiddle around with this like Mr. Magoo. For those of you old enough who actually know who Mr. Magoo is, you'll understand. So until next time, you all take care. I'll see you later.